Hey friends, how's it going? Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about topics in 2026, the real economic impact of AI and technology. From ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, to AI-powered automation in every sector. AI is no longer just a tech trend. It's redefining jobs, business strategies, GDP, and our daily life. In this video, we'll cover 1. AI's influence on the global economy. 2. Impact on jobs and workforce. 3. Sector-wise productivity gains. 4. Country-level AI adoption and GDP effects. 5. Future predictions, risks, and opportunities. 6. How you can adapt your skills and career for this new era. Stick around until the end because I'll share a real example of how AI is already transforming a major industry in 2026. It will surprise you. Global Economic Overview 2026. Let's start with the big picture of the global economy in 2026. GDP growth. Global GDP growth is projected at around 3.1%, slightly higher than 2025, driven largely by emerging markets and tech investment. Asia-Pacific countries, particularly India and China, continue to show the fastest growth, while Europe and North America remain moderate. Inflation and economic pressure. Supply chain disruptions, energy prices, and regional trade policies are affecting growth in several regions. Central banks are adjusting interest rates, cautiously to balance inflation and growth. AI investment. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in AI research, automation, and infrastructure. AI is becoming a core driver of productivity, efficiency, and innovation. And in simple terms, AI is not only supporting economic growth, but also shifting how businesses and governments plan their strategies. AI and jobs market impact. Jobs are perhaps the most debated topic regarding AI. Many ask, will AI take jobs or create new ones? Jobs at risk. Routine and repetitive jobs such as data entry, basic customer service, and clerical work are increasingly automated. Even mid-level positions in accounting, reporting, and administration are experiencing automation pressures. New opportunities. AI has created new job roles, AI ML developers, prompt engineers, data analysts and scientists, AI trainers and ethicists. Global surveys predict that entry-level hiring may increase in tech-enabled roles even as traditional roles shrink. Skill tip: students and professionals must focus on AI literacy, digital tools, data analysis, and problem-solving skills. This will help secure positions in high-demand areas rather than being displaced by automation. Sector-wise, AI adoption and productivity gains. AI adoption is sector-specific. Let's explore how AI is transforming various industries in 2026. At finance and banking. AI helps with fraud detection, personalized banking advice, predictive analytics, and algorithmic trading. Example: AI-driven lending platforms can assess credit risk in seconds, reducing default rates and improving efficiency. Healthcare. AI assists in diagnostics, predictive treatment plans, and hospital management. Example: imaging and pathology analysis are now 40–50% faster with AI, improving patient outcomes. Education. AI tutors, adaptive learning platforms, and automated grading systems are transforming student learning. Personalized learning paths improve comprehension and retention. Retail and e-commerce. AI-driven recommendation systems boost sales and improve customer satisfaction. Supply chain management is more accurate, reducing waste and delays. E-manufacturing. Robotics plus AI streamline production, reduce defects, and increase throughput. Example: an automotive plant using AI-powered robots can produce 20% more vehicles at lower costs. Agriculture. AI monitors soil health, predicts weather patterns, and optimizes irrigation. Crop yields are increasing while resource usage decreases. Result: across all sectors, AI increases efficiency, reduces costs, and enables data-driven decision-making. AI and GDP impact country-level analysis. Now let's see how AI adoption affects countries' GDP in 2026. Asia-Pacific. India estimated growth 6.6% due to tech adoption and domestic consumption. China. Strong investment in AI and automation boosts productivity. Taiwan. Projected growth 3% in 2026. thanks to tech-heavy exports and AI innovation. United States, AI adoption in finance, healthcare, and IT sectors drives innovation, but growth is moderated by regulatory and trade constraints. Global trend. Countries investing heavily in AI and digital infrastructure grow faster, while slow adopters risk lagging behind. AI's everyday life impact. AI is not only changing industries, it's affecting our daily lives. Banking, personalized finance, and fraud alerts. Healthcare. Faster diagnostics and predictive treatment. Education. AI-powered learning and tutoring platforms. Retail. Personalized shopping experiences. Transport, autonomous delivery, and traffic management. On takeaway, AI is quietly reshaping the economy at a personal level, from how we spend money to how we learn and work. Opportunities and risks in 2026. Opportunities. By the emerging AI and tech jobs, high-growth startups and investment opportunities, increased productivity and global competitiveness. Risks. Skill gaps leading to unemployment in traditional roles. Automation compressing low-skill sectors. Trade policies, inflation, and regulatory challenges. Advice. Focus on AI, data, and digital skills. Stay updated on high-demand growth sectors to secure your future career. Future predictions. What can we expect in the next 5 years? AI adoption will expand into more niche sectors like logistics, climate monitoring, and legal services. Countries and companies investing early in AI will dominate productivity and innovation. Global workforce will shift more towards AI-related skills, making continuous learning essential. Insight. The faster you adapt to AI trends, the better your career and financial opportunities. Conclusion and CTA. So friends, that was a comprehensive look at AI's economic impact in 2026. It's transforming jobs, businesses, GDP, and everyday life. The key takeaway? Adapt, learn, and embrace AI-driven opportunities. Comment below, which AI-related job do you think will grow the most in 2026? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more trending economic videos and updates.